Jump! Oh my goodness! Oh, it's raining! Oh no!
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Hi guys, I'm in the big paddock. No.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. We do apologise, we've not been on for a good few weeks now. It's been very hectic with lockdown and two very troublesome toddlers, so it's been really difficult to actually sit down and film. Yeah, so like I say, it's been really hard to actually sit down and film, as you can probably see. Stephen's been working quite a lot and he's been away, so it's been nigh on impossible. So today we're going to start the vlog again. Today we're going to actually start doing some more vlogs, see what we can get done. And what are we about to go and do? What are we about to go and do? Where are we going?
Puddles.
In the puddles. We're going to jump in muddy puddles. It's actually lashing down, the weather is disgusting. So, and Robin always loves going to...
The sky lasts.
No, it doesn't. Robin's on about thunder. She calls it the sky crash. The sky's not going to crash down, there's no thunder, I don't think anyway. But Mummy will tell you, okay, if they do. So we're going to go and jump in some muddy puddles, just like Peppa Pig, and run a bit of energy off them because they're really excited to go and splash. Come on then, let's go.
Bye-bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
So there is actually an ulterior motive. I don't know, darling. There is actually an ulterior motive to this walk. So I lost my phone yesterday. I don't actually know where it is or when I last had it. And something in my mind tells us I left it on top of my car when I was putting the kids in the car when we nipped to the shop. And like, I feel like it might have flew off somewhere. So I decided to have a little walk to see if maybe it's dropped off somewhere. And I'm hoping, because it's not been the best of weather, there's not many people walking around to pick it up. So fingers crossed it's here, but it's not looking very likely. What, darling? We're going to go and find the next puddle.
Yeah.
See who can spot the next one. And hopefully my phone's not in a puddle. Squelch, 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 squelch. Oh, Robbie, Bobby. Come here a second. Let's tip some water out your wellies. Give us your foot. Let's see how much water comes out here. Ready? You've got puddles in your wellies. Other one. Oh. Right, ready? Ready? Oh my goodness. Where's she going? Move, move.
I'm gonna get
in. Look what's in. Push. There you go. We're gonna get next to home. Yeah, you're chilly. I'm tired. Are you cold? Yeah. Go on then, next one home. Also, no sign of the phone. Oh dear. have to be really quiet because Daddy's ordering Mummy a new phone.
Yeah, okay, brilliant. Black or grey? Which one do you want?
Grey.
What?
Grey.
Grey. Can I choose grey, please? Grey, sorry. Yeah.
You I'm getting a grey phone. Shh, you have to be really quiet because Daddy's on the phone getting Mummy a new one. Are they nice? Oh, I've got frozen ice pops.
Yeah, well, she's lost her S9, so, and that had the SIM card in it, so I'll need the SIM card.
I'm tired.
It's upside down.
She only lost it yesterday.
Are you playing dollies? Let's see, you got some clothes on. Moo moo. You got clothes on now? And what's Babs doing? Playing dollies?
Yeah.
Oh. The lift's coming up.
What?
The lift's coming up.
Stop! No!
Oh, sorry.
It's going down. Not like that, not now. Because everyone's going to the bed.
Oh, sorry, I forgot it was bedtime. Oh, you've got someone at your door.
What? What?
Grandad's at the door.
What? Wanda. Hello.
There's the granda.
Hello, Wanda.
Hello.
Everyone's going to bed.
Okay. Night night, everyone. Is the children in bed?
Not yet, because get a nap by now. Felice under this one in there.
Where's his blankie gone?
I don't know. I have one. I have one.
It was. His blankie was there yesterday.
There's a blanket.
That's not a blankie, it's a towel.
It's power.
Towel.
No, it's not.
So a lot of things have happened in lockdown. Stephen's grew a couple of plants and things in the garden, like trees, and he's also developed a hobby, which is gardening. He's put together a little greenhouse and things, and he's growing chilies, strawberries, tomatoes, there's some sweet peas there and some other things. He really took a complete liking to it, so that keeps him busy for a little bit. It's actually quite annoying though, because he tends to go straight to his plants when he comes in from work, and I'm a bit like, hi Stephen. So yeah, he's out there at the minute. I tell you what, if it's not too windy, I'll take you and show you his little man cave. Watch fingers. Let's come in. Oh, he's pruning his bush. Are you cutting chilies off?
Mum, let's go back and try.
Are you going to donate some? So me and the girls planted some of these little plants a while. I think these pots need to change, Stephen.
I do. I see me cherry clippings to the leaves all went back up.
Were they off your mum's house?
Aye.
These are what? These ones? Tomatoes.
Yeah.
Tomatoes. What are these ones?
There's a good crop on this one, mate.
These are strawberries, aren't they?
Strawberries. I see the
Strawberries.
flowers on this.
Oh, they're getting little flowers on them. Nice flowers. What's in this pot? Anyways, what's these? More strawberries. Chili plants.
Oh, watch out! You're knocking these off.
More chili plants. Oh, they're peas, aren't they?
Peas, strawberries, tomatoes. They're tomatoes.
The only thing is,
Well,
it's really windy. How you put the wood? You need to put the wood back up.
The things fell from the back.
Because it's only like a plasticky greenhouse. It keeps the wind is pretty lethal, and it keeps it already has blew it over once and depotted all of the plants. So we've just got to keep an eye on it. We have been putting planks of wood down the side of the fence just to like block the wind, because the drive is literally just there, so it's like a bit of a wind tunnel, so that doesn't help. I don't know if I already filmed a little bit about Stephen's apple tree when he first got it, but it is like starting to come on really good, so this is it now. If I've got a clip, I'll insert the clip now of what it did look like when we first got it. And this is plum tree, I think. on the pear tree isn't doing so well. It's just a stick. So I don't know exactly what you just heard of that, but basically that's the gist of it. He's got his little, what darling? Alright. He's got his little greenhouse going, which is quite cute, and he's got his chilies and things. And we did try one of the chilies yesterday and they are hot. They're nice. I made like a stir fry, and Stephen added a few into his. We didn't obviously put any in the girls. I didn't make it in the main meal, but I did put a little one on the top and taste it, and it was kind of hot. But he had some on his, and he actually enjoyed it. So I think he's gonna give some to his mum or something, and see what she likes them. See if she likes them. So I'm gonna just do a little bit of cleaning up. I don't know whether to put a bit of makeup on. I think we've got a family quiz tonight, with some of Stephen's family. So I might make myself a bit more presentable for that, because at the minute, after being in that rain, oh, I look pretty horrific. And I keep getting spots. I don't know what it is, but I think it's stress. Having these two children. Like I say, I'm going to get sorted out and I'll catch you in a bit. So here's all of the chilies off the plant. You like them? I don't think you like them. They'll blow your head off. They're really, really spicy. What?
Robin will make it quite, darling.
Right. Mummy thinks this one will probably be the spiciest because it's a little...
Is it quite spicy? Hungarian hot wax.
What?
Hungarian hot wax.
Hungarian hot wax.
I think only about 30,000 Scoville units.
That's enough for me.
Isn't that hot?
Right, ready?
Well, it was hot for me, didn't it? Bye. Just stick it all in. All of it, bye it.
Stephen, that's red hot. How do you drink? How do you drink? Put that cold tap on. Quickly.
Mama, you alright?
Big stick of chilli. Water does nothing, it just mixes it in your mouth and makes it hotter.
What do I do? Milk?
No, just ride it out.
Nah.
It only lasts 5 minutes in the course.
Mummy hates milk. I'm gonna have to. Stephen, I can't. It's hurting me tonsils.
Still on your back.
I need to drink.
Oh, God, it's stinging my ears. Oh, that was hot. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Babs, you can't have one of them, darling, that'll blow your head off. Oh, it's actually stinging my tonsil.
So the other night I had my nose off it and I stuck my finger on the end of my nose to wipe it and I burnt my nose.
Imagine rubbing that in your eyes.
Paige,
You drank my milk.
Paige,
I hate milk.
that's only about 30 to 50,000 Scoville units, right?
Are you
We stuff
alright?
on it, so in the
Mommy,
100,000s.
Mommy, that's alright.
It's too hot, Babs.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like
That was a bad idea.
Hungarian hot wax.
I want milk.
It don't last that long, to be fair, the spice on it.
It does.
Mommy, I want milk.
You want some more milk? I think Mummy needs more milk too. What have you done, Miley? You filled Daddy's plant pot with all the doll's house toys. You're going to grow a doll's house, like? Yeah. Don't tip them out. Go and take them back to the doll's house. Oh, holy moly. And this is why the house doesn't stay tidy. What's the matter? You're right, love.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out, one thought, and we.
Oh, yes.
What? What are you doing?
My favorite nestle.
I'm going to find it after your lunch. Here, look what I've got for you. What's it?
Uncle finger, where are you?
Miley, this one's yours, Miley.
Uncle finger,
That one's yours, though.
where are you?
Mmm, yummy. You what? What is it?
I want leaves.
Leaves. You love leaves, do you? Do you mean salad?
I love salad.
Is it your favourite? Do you love it as well, Miley? You just love Mum's dinner instead.
What's these?
Pickles.
I try it.
Yeah, you've got one on yours. You know what it tastes like?
What are these?
You pickle gherkins. Pickles.
Big gherkins. I don't like them.
Oh, do you want to taste this? It's got one big eye and one little eye.
One of my favourite people, you know, to watch on TV. Doing these. If not, my favourite.
Well done. Right, what should we do now?
No!
What's the matter?
No, it doesn't do it.
Oh, that one. Did you do that one again?
I've been waiting all my life